So if you're asking yourself the question, Wix versus Kajabi, which one of these platforms should I use to build my online website out with? It's a fair question if you haven't had much experience in either of these platforms. But in this video today, I'm going to go deep on what these platforms are for, who they're designed for, and which one you should use depending on what experience you have in online business and what functionalities you want from these platforms. And full disclosure, I've been using Kajabi since 2018, and there's a good reason for that. It's because the functionalities that Kajabi provide are exactly what my business needs. So I do get asked the question, which platform should I use to build out my website with? And it all depends on the functionality. So in order to compare these two platforms, I'm going to jump straight on over into my desktop. So here we are in Google, and all I've done is I've just Googled what is Wix. Now with the AI overviews now, it's just going to answer this question for me. So Wix is a cloud-based website building platform that uses drag and drop editor and pre-designed templates to help users create professional looking websites without coding. So bottom line up front, Wix is a website platform. It's a website builder. It allows you to build good looking website pages. And that's pretty much where it finishes. Whereas Kajabi, if you look and Google what is Kajabi, Kajabi is an all-in-one platform for creators to build, market, and sell digital products like online courses, memberships, and coaching programs. Whereas Kajabi does have a website builder, it may not be as advanced as Wix, but it has so much more to offer in terms of the back-end functionalities like courses, memberships, selling, connecting to a payment provider, email marketing, and we're going to dive exactly into which platform provides what as I go onto the Wix website. So just snooping around here, you can have a look and you get an idea of create a website without limits. So this is really focused in on websites. And if I was to go onto Kajabi, this is dream it, build it, and monetize it. So this is pretty much tailoring for the whole online business. So again, it comes back to your requirements. Are you just looking to build a website with a few signposts, maybe a cart, checkout, and maybe a link to other pages or a link to socials? If that's the case, then Wix might be the platform for you. If you're thinking of building not just a website, but behind it, building courses, memberships, coaching, community, then Kajabi is more up your street. So if you go on to the actual products, you can see it's all about web design, templates, it's AI website builders. It's all about e-commerce, blog, portfolio, scheduling. It's about your website. Whereas here, if you look on Kajabi, the products, you've got courses, coaching, podcasts, membership, communities, newsletters, downloads, even a branded mobile app, email marketing, ways to actually process payments. So these are two completely different platforms. So it's really key for you to understand the functionality when you're selecting one of these platforms for your online business. So if we go into pricing, this is really reflected in these pricing plans. So starting from right across to left, you have the Lite, which is like £9 a month because I'm in the UK right now. Core is £16 a month. Business is $25, and the Business Elite is $119. Now have a read down these pricing plans and try and identify which one that you want, because you need to identify what you need as a business and then try and choose one of these plans accordingly. Whereas we flick over into Kajabi, if I click on the monthly, it starts at $89 a month. So it's almost as much as Wix anyway with this Kickstarter plan. Then it goes on to basic, growth, and then pro. So it goes up quite a lot. But that's because it has all of these features and functionalities to deliver on the back end of your courses, memberships, and coaching. So like I said, I am a Kajabi user. Let's jump on into my Kajabi account just to show you exactly what you get. So from this dashboarded area, then if you click on the products, everything's down the left-hand side. This is what Kajabi offer. Courses, coaching, community, podcasts, newsletters, downloads. So if I was to click into one of my courses and then just click out into one of the programs here, Kajabi Unboxed, this is the one that I offer as people sign up to Kajabi with my link. If I just pop that out, this is how your courses look. So it's a really clean look and feel. And this is how you can enroll people just by going to a landing page, into a checkout, and then into a program. So they have like a members area, a login and a members area. So you can deliver courses, coaching, memberships, community. So it all depends what type of business you are running. Kajabi might be a good fit for you. So if I go back out, this is the website where as you can design your website and have a builder, you can connect up to your domain. This is everything I've built out using Kajabi. You could have a Wix domain and then have Kajabi as your subdomain. It's entirely up to you if you prefer the look and the feel of the Wix website builder. But as you can see here, everything I have built is within Kajabi. So my about page is here, my blogs, all done within Kajabi. So there's so much more within Kajabi if you're looking for that complete business solution. So I could go on here, I could talk about marketing, I could talk about your CRM. This is a place where you can have all your contacts, and then you can have in here analytics, you can have an affiliate dashboard, you can create your checkout with sales and payments, link up to certain payment providers. So it really is the all-in-one solution if you're looking for that online business. But like I say, this could be using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. If all you want is a website that links out to some socials and actually has your domain hosted with it, just so it can give you an online footprint and it can showcase exactly what you do. So that is the question you have to ask yourself. What is the requirement that I want? These two online platforms are both very, very different. So understanding the differentiality of these two platforms is going to make your decision pretty easy. And like I said, I am a Kajabi user. I have been using this platform for a long time, and I'm a Kajabi partner, so I can get you an extended 30-day free trial of this platform if you'd like to take it out for a spin. That's over double the 14 days available to the public just by using my link. All you have to do is head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And as a thank you from me using my link, I'm going to grant you a free course, which is called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started using Kajabi. It's going to teach you how to set up and unbox your Kajabi account in the right way. And as this is an affiliate link, all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you choose to go over those 30 days free trial and use Kajabi for your entire online business. But if you do that as a second thank you from me, I'm going to grant you another program. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. Show me you're a current Kajabi subscriber, and then I will automate you another program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. These are the templates that I use in my online business. You can simply download them from this program and upload them into your Kajabi account and use them as a starter for 10. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out all the awesome bonuses that I offer on this page. Hopefully you've now got an informed decision whether Wix or Kajabi is the right fit for you. And I look forward to seeing you on another video real soon.